In this video, we listed the 5 best camping chair on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. OneTigris Portable Camping Chairs. The OneTigris Portable Camping Chair is designed for comfort and stability during outdoor activities such as camping, trekking, fishing, barbecue parties, and more. Its upgraded square structure provides stability, while the snug seat and adjustable headrest offer support and relaxation for a comfortable seating experience. The chair is made of durable materials, including 600D polyester fabric and a 70-75 aluminum alloy frame, making it able to support up to 275 pounds, 125 kilograms, in weight. The chair is easy to set up, lightweight at 4.7 pounds, 2.13 kilograms, and features side pockets for storage. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts seeking simplicity, affordability, and comfort while in the wild, this chair is a versatile and practical choice for various activities. Number 2. Thous Winds Camping Chair. The Thous Winds aluminum alloy folding chair is a versatile and durable seating option designed for outdoor use. Available in khaki, black, and green colors, this folding chair is constructed using aluminum alloy, 2400D polyester cotton blend, and black walnut materials for a sturdy build. With a maximum load capacity of 130 kilograms, it can easily accommodate most users. The chair's dimensions in use are 55 by 48 by 77 cm, and it can be conveniently stored in a compact 75 by 14 by 14 cm size when not in use. Weighing 4.3 kilograms, it is lightweight and portable, making it ideal for camping, picnics, and other outdoor activities. The package includes one aluminum alloy folding chair from Thous Winds. Number 3. Naturehike Folding Chairs. The Naturehike portable folding chairs are lightweight and compact chairs that are ideal for various outdoor activities such as beach outings, camping trips, picnics, hiking, and even outdoor dinners. These chairs can easily be folded and carried in a backpack, making them convenient to bring along on any adventure. With their durable construction and comfortable design, the Naturehike portable folding chairs provide a sturdy and comfortable seating option for outdoor enthusiasts. These chairs are practical and versatile choice for anyone looking to relax and enjoy the great outdoors. Number 4. PACOONE Camping Chair. The PACOONE outdoor folding chair is a versatile and convenient seating option for various activities such as home use, fishing, camping, beach trips, hiking, and picnics. With a foldable design and a weight of either 1000G or 1300G, this chair is easy to transport and store. Made of durable 600D Oxford cloth, the chair is both sturdy and comfortable, with a seat load-bearing capacity of 150 to 200 kilograms. Suitable for use in all 4 seasons and available in a sleek black color, the PACOONE chair offers a practical seating solution for outdoor adventures. Number 5. Naturehike YL05 Folding Chair. The Naturehike Black Dog Dream Moon Lounger is a sleek and comfortable lounging chair designed for outdoor relaxation. Made with high-quality materials such as 900D Oxford cloth and 70-75 aluminum, this chair is not only durable but also lightweight, weighing about 2.62 kilograms. Its black color and modern design make it a stylish addition to any outdoor setting. With dimensions of 110 by 75 by 76 centimeters, it offers ample space for lounging and unwinding. Manufactured by Naturehike, a trusted brand known for its outdoor gear, this lounger is a reliable and convenient option for camping, picnics, or simply enjoying the great outdoors.